Almost with you guys. You guys coming in, man. I can't see chat. I want to see the 7. Better than you guys watch me look back and forth. 6 viewers, guys. We got an exciting chance for tonight. I'm freaking cool. It's gonna be speaker strong and fast. That's good. Set. Okay, everything's popping. All right, guys. I'm gonna start my game. Great tournament, by the way. So you guys are absolutely amazing. Stream Rock is rocking, folks. Jay Williams absolutely loves to see it. Guys, we can do this. Hey, man, welcome to the stream, guys. We're doing some fun stuff today. We're doing some opening prep. We saw a game. Oh, I gotta turn the music down. I remember that one more thing, but I'm not gonna say that. I need to stop saying it. I gotta put the music lower than my voice, guys. Lower than my voice. There we go. That's working. Get up on the mic. Don't be afraid of it. Yeah, man. Okay. Now, I start a game, and I'll tell you guys what we're doing. Jay Williams was first with the stream rock. You absolutely love to see that. Austin Rosa with a like. Angelina Jolie, Kevin Gilmujian. Thank you guys for likes. Really helps the stream. D4 play 906. Guys, yesterday we encountered the ever unpopular wing gambit against the Sicilian. E4, C5, B4. And I didn't really know how to play it. And so what I did was we winged it. We're going to go over a study today, guys. We're going to learn the proper way to play it. Lights, camera, action, says Jay. What's up? Hey, John Sardelli, how you doing, man? We know we have to castle. Just castle. Here, maybe? Plays that move. Now I want to play this so bad. Very bad. But I think I'm supposed to take. Hey, man, John Sardelli comes with the 20 stars. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. I think I'm supposed to take Cameron Ayers, Tyler Lamascus, and John Sardelli. Thank you guys for likes. It really helps the stream. I'm thinking about knight c6, guys. Problem is take. So I think we're going to take... I'm going to take here first. If he takes with the pawn, I take. If he takes with the knight, I play here. And then if knight takes, pawn takes, capturing toward the center. He might take here first. Yeah, I think my pawns got messed up. John with another 20. Thank you, John. They're fixing to drop any second, folks. You love to see it, man. It's the early stream hype, guys. If you're coming in, you know what to do, man. Like it. You got something to say, say it. He took first, guys. But I think I can take and then if queen takes, knight takes. Right? Yeah. See, that's the menu, and we're threatening taking with check, so he has no intermezzo. Intermezzo. It's a very Italian move, guys. He takes with the pawn. So we... Now he plays bishop f3, again, hoping to get the symmetrical pawn structure. I could take... then I can't move my bishop. I could play queen attacking. He does this. You love it. We can... Should I push? And then pawn takes, knight takes? He's going to push probably. So maybe I should just develop, guys. It's a 10-minute game, guys. I got to remember it's a 10-minute game. John Sardelli with the 85, man. And the 20, the 20, the 20. Thank you, John. He's up at his game, folks. Julian Mora liked the stream. Julian, how you doing? Mendu liked my stream. Thank you so much. Oh, I got to put this multi-chat on, guys. I have a multi-chat scenario going over here. Yeah, I do. And those are all done. Good. We had an amazing Elden Ring stream earlier. Oh, my God, guys. Oh, no! I disconnected, guys. Any advantage I hoped to get from the opening is now gone. This is a square. I can hit, and you can play this. So I could do the same. That's moving twice. I could bring this rook. I've screwed up, guys. We have screwed up. I jinxed you. No. I am 1 billion. He dropped a pawn. He drops a pawn. Active rook. Bishop up. The rook's kind of locked in. You know what I'm saying? So I think I take the pawn. I don't think this square is... This is active, but it can be traded very, very easily, folks. Ooh, bishop could be a move. I didn't consider. Oh. I didn't consider that move. I have queen. I have b6. He plays it. Great. Passive bishop. But we'll get rid of the rook. This doesn't do anything because takes I just take. It's covered twice. Queen b3 doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. Rook e8 is such a great move, guys. I bet it was the best move. Because in addition to taking over all these freaking squares, it attacks e2, and his queen can't, like, do something because the bishop falls. You know? So I feel pretty good about it. So what we're going to do is, after this game, and you guys come in and get settled, everyone calms down. We are going to go over the wing gambit. I've got it all set. Plays bishop. Does nothing. I could annoy his bishop if I want to. I could attack 2 pawns at one time if I want to. Or I could say this could be a tissue, guys. And let's bring the last piece. And trade it for the best piece. Although rook takes kind of sucks. See what I'm saying? Rook takes. He could play a rook over. So do we leave this? We just go after another pawn? This active rook probably is a criminal. It's a criminal, folks. Category is still Elden Ring. On Facebook? On Facebook? On Twitch? Oh, you know why? Because try to change it to chess. On Twitch. Okay, I'll see if I can change that after, and I've got to figure it out. These are all growing pains, guys. They're all growing pains. I have to move. How do we get rid of this bishop? Push doesn't do anything. Come here. Because I got to move. I let the rook live, guys. I let the rook live. One thing that's kind of cool, he doesn't have this move. He doesn't have that move. And I'll tell you right now, if I start freaking what do you do? Plays back, right? Now I can take this, or I could trap the rook, right? How does he defend it? Maybe I am good enough to change my title. Let me go to video producer. Would it be? Dude, I can't even figure out how to go live on Twitch. Broadcasting. Great. Let's click on it. Can we click on it? It won't click on it. Okay. Add to, highlight, watch, or publish, delete. Did he move? He hasn't moved yet, so I have to be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Back to Twitch, and that was. Did we create a dashboard? He sacks. I think. Do we take? If we take, this is a weakness, but. It's okay. I think this is okay. Guys, we got him. We got him. Welcome back. Congratulations, Stream Manager. Is that what I want? Yeah, cool. The guy resigned, man. Dude! How to beat a 1645. Don't blunder. Don't blunder, right? Okay, I'm going to close this, and we're going to go to this screen. And we're gonna learn how to play the Wing Gambit, guys. We're gonna learn how to play the Wing Gambit. Okay, let me look at this one live. Quick actions. Edit stream info. Wow. Yeah. Opening prep. Elden Ring. Category. Elden Ring. I don't want that. Category. Chess. You actually, believe it or not, guys, everyone wants you to. I'm gonna have to start doing that, I guess. Everyone wants you to. You must tag the correct game. It's like, what's the big deal? I guess they want people like tagging Warzone and playing checkers. You know what I mean? Quality or something. Okay, guys. So here, this is the Wing Gambit. This is a study on Lee chess. You can get it for free. Okay. I wish I could see who created it. If we get that at the end, we will give them credit, but I'll tell you this. It is called Crush Wing Gambit as Black Wing Gambit Main Lines. And you say, what's a Wing Gambit, Charlie? This is studying chess, guys. This is how we get better. E4, you play C5 because you want to be like Garry Kasparov, right? Then they play B4. Remember this game from yesterday? You guys remember it. I know you freaking remember this game. Because we fought this game hard, guys. We fought this game hard. So I'm getting live notes, but I'm not getting stream and my notifications on Facebook have to come directly to your gaming page. Something's not jiving here. I watched late science fiction cinema last night on TV app I own Roku 4K HD. Late science fiction cinema, huh? Something's different, huh, Billy? Okay, well, we'll check it out. We'll check it out. Okay, so B4 is the move, guys. Now, what I didn't do was capture the pawn. I played like D6 or something. But the best move is to capture and not be scared. Okay? So I'm getting live notes. Oh yeah, I think I know what you mean. Okay, and when you take, they play A3 and E5. It says A3, D4. This is not a dangerous try at all. White should try to reverse Benko style with A3. Right. We play D5. Takes. Knight attacking. He sacks. Queen takes. The knight can't come. And we're okay. Okay, so let's take a look at that again real quick. On D4. On D4. We play D5. And what if this E5 is just a terrible move here? It's a terrible move because of we had started attacking this with knight c6, and then you see the arrows, guys, and then bishop f5, queen b6 attacking. It's like a French. We attack the square, but he can't defend it with c3. Okay, fair enough. So we play e5, knight f3, knight c6. Got to remember, just take the pawn, but we don't take both. We take one, but not both. Got to remember that. Bishop, queen b6, sacking a pawn. A tough move to remember. We are gambiting this pawn. There have been 41 games from this position on lead chess, with black winning 73% of the time. That's pretty amazing. Okay, takes. Because we take here. The bishop moves. We push. This is just crazy, guys. This is just crazy. Okay, well, the study is good, but I'm going to get back to the best way for me to learn this on chess.com. I'm appreciating the chess.com scenario way better, guys. Way better. Chess.com. So we do it like this. We go to learn analysis, right, guys? And we're going to play chess right here. We close lead chess. That was not working for me. Okay, we're going to flip the board. We're going to look at a little bit of that. E4, C5, B4, pawn takes, A3, and then we go to openings, and the most common move is D5. D5. Pawn takes, queen takes, again because the knight can't. So we play in the center, guys, because of the fact that the knight can't come. Knight f3 feels pretty good. E5, and you play E5, guys. Takes. Now he's threatening to develop his knight. We take the pawn, so we just rip it if he develops it. That's brutal. C3. Now his knight can't move again. Bishop E7. Knight A3. No threats. Knight C6. Remember, the knight comes to C6. Knight B5. What I'm getting here is a vibe. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm not brute force memorizing everything I'm seeing here. I'm getting ideas about, like, okay, I'm seeing E5. I'm seeing the idea of playing D5. Queen can come here because it's okay. No big deal. He's making a huge threat right here. Guys, the queen comes all the way back. D4. ED4. Bishop F4 with threats. King F8. Wow. Knight C7. Rook B8. Knight D4. Knight D4. Queen D4. Queen D4. CD4. And what? And Bishop B4. Check. King D1. No one's castling. Who's king safer? They're both relatively safe. Bishop G4. Comes with tempo. F3. Okay, now we got it. It's not free anymore. Wow, Rook D8. Okay, so this, yeah, and that makes a threat. And this rook gets developed, guys, because if pawn takes, we have check, and then we either win the bishop there or here. So this is very interesting, man. But the key things to remember are: take the first pawn, don't take the second pawn, play D5, and don't be afraid to take with your queen. And knight C6 and E5 are moves. Okay. Yeah. You said brute force. Yeah, brute force is a I mean, they use that term in chess. Trevor Larson said, I watched the late science fiction cinema last night on Tubi app. I own Roku 4K HD. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know what that is, late science fiction cinema last night. Okay. I feel I haven't, like, see, this is a subline that you're not going to face all the time, guys. We're gonna play some chess. A subline that you're not gonna face all the time. You know what we might do here too later after about an hour is we might go to one of those studies and look a little bit at how to beat the London, guys. You know what I'm saying? Because we see the London all the time. We see the London all the time, folks. Now I'm hoping to get that same. No one's going to play a wing gambit. Someone want to challenge me? You play e4, I play c5. You play b4. We just saw some ideas. Bishop c4, he's already stuck. Okay, we play knight first. And then we play d4. I think. Queen e7 is not a good move. Well, I mean, I'm attacking his bishop. But pawn take. Oh, he might have queen f6. Bishop f3. Knight comes. We have anything. f3, a3, castles. Oh, no, he won't be able to do this, though. We're okay. We're okay. Anthony Fowler, Ben Wright, Will Anthony, thank you guys for likes. It really helps the stream. Yeah. And thank you, Greek, for doing that, by the way, man. If you guys remember, Greek, how come you don't play chess with us anymore? Greek is watching on Twitch. How come you never play chess with us anymore, man? Greek used to be here all the time playing chess. Greek was a rival, man. We would play. He would challenge me. We would play. It was cool. I don't know what happened to Greek, man. Where'd he go? You guys remember his name, right? I call him Greek. It's GREEC _ GG. Okay? Stands for good game, folks. I think, doesn't it? GG stands for good game, right? What else could it stand for? The gaming scenario. Man, Elden Ring stream was killer. Yesterday's chess stream, my God, you guys. It was the under 1200, guys. It was 1249 and below, and it was hard fought, man. It was hard fought. It always is. Greek says, "Oh, I still watch on your channel." Yeah, but you don't play. But you don't play. How come you don't play me, Greek? You used to challenge me all the time. You're one of my regulars. Like, oh, I can't think of their names. Check your notifications if you're following, folks. Free subs. Oh, did someone give subs and I didn't see it? Oh my God, Billy gifted 5 subs. Well, I turned the music down, so now I can turn this back up. It alerted, right? But it doesn't work. Allow me. Oh, to stay up so late. Got you. Billy Mullen, he's gifted 5 subs. Billy, thank you, dude. Billy gave me a 1200 star challenge in Elden Ring today. Gave me 5 tries. I did it on the 2nd try or 3rd try. It was rough, man. Twin gargoyles, guys. No joke. Hey, Charlie, how was your day? Ratursky, dude, so far so good, man. I got up early. What's this guy doing? Am I losing my queen? I never know what to do when people just... Guys, it's the opening. It's the opening. Make a freaking move. Nick Anton. Nick Anton is his name. He has 4... How many bars did they show me? I can't tell. Looks like 4. He has 4 full bars of health on his internet. Yeah, so I got up early feeling good, man. We had a nice long Elden Ring stream and was looking forward to the chess the whole time after yesterday. This is Detox Thursday, man. This is we chill, we play chess, we have fun. It's still early stream hype, guys. So if you're coming in, you see Billy Mullenix and Brian Ratursky. They say hello. John Sardelli, right? Trevor Larson. Be like them. Be like them. Oh, is that going to pop right now? Is it popping late? Is Streamlabs being lazy? And Brian Ratursky. Oh my God. You guys, man, with the support today. They were supporting on Elden Ring earlier today. And then they come in and they double down, folks. That's one thing. When you find something you like, you're supposed to double down on it. You know what I mean? Like 7-4 versus a 6 in blackjack. Double down. If you have a chance to put more money on the table when your opponent, when the dealer has a 6, oh, I'm losing. I'm losing. I'm losing. No, maybe not. If bishop takes, I lose. What did I do? Just bishop takes. He's so scared. Oh my God, what have I done? He's horrified, guys, because I'm losing. He's afraid to take the piece, guys. He doesn't see it. I'm a mess today. Dude, Sardelli, I am, man. What is going on, guys? We need to go. Yeah, I love it. You're a mess today. Guys, we need to go back to the opening study as planned because, oh my, how do you do that? Dude. Ratursky, man, 3,000 Facebook gaming stars. That is hilarious. What did I do, Sardelli? This guy's horrified, guys. See, if knight takes, I can threaten mate and the bishop. God. Now, I can play check, queen check, and take the bishop. Or I can threaten mate and take the bishop. He has a check, I just attack the knight. And we hope it doesn't get out. And it's almost like sacking the knight because then I'm going to take with the king after he stops the mate. I could take, then he has to save the knight. And I don't see how it gets out. But I blundered big time, guys. Okay, we're guys, this could go in I Was Busted. Remember my series, I Was Busted? Will Anthony became an exclusive chiller. Will Anthony, thank you for the support, dude. Thank you so much, man. Will Anthony is, I'm sure there was a re-up. I have to bring up one more window, guys, at some point. See, I have a threat of mate. Then he probably will play queen f6. Then I take D. Nope. Then he takes check. Then I take. Then I'm threatening takes and getting the knight. And that's a trade. So if I come here, I think I get the bishop. And I mean, I lose a lot of stuff. It's bad. It's real bad. Oh, he has queen e7. He has queen e7. I didn't see it. You're quacking too much. You're not focused. I know. Yeah, that's what I do. Push the pawn to c2 first. If I push the pawn to c2 first, he just says check. King moves, and he takes my rook. Whereas I could spend the time right now for that move. I could spend the time for that move threatening something. But queen e2 looks good, man. Bishop check. Queen takes. Queen takes. And I'm still down material. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's the best move in a losing position, guys. You know what? It might just be castle. But the way to screw him. The way to screw with them. Knight f6, I could push. Knight has to go somewhere. As a matter of fact, it literally... Well, he could play d5. I need to just move because this game is insanely screwed up. This is probably not it. Queen e7, man. Queen e7. Then I can take here. And he just moves his king. I'm busted. Billy Mullenix, queen e7. He finds it, folks. He finds it. And the thing is, there's no freaking... Hit here. Hit the queen. Knight f6. I want to just castle. But knight f6 is going to come on my queen. So I think we need to develop a piece. No, he has queen takes check. He has queen takes pawn check. I'm busted, guys. I am so busted. I'm so busted! Anthony Zagarelli said, work code the E pawn? What is it saying? This defends us. Hits the knight, hits the pawn. Okay, he comes back. Oh, that's probably not a horrible move. Okay, I'm going to come here. And he should play a5. He's play a5. Or knight f6 is good, but he can't castle yet. Putting my queen here sucks. We're in a castle. We have easy development. You guys always hear me say that. This is a good knight, man. See, the queen here stops it from castling and stops this bishop from moving because of this pawn, right? So a5, queen. Okay, he just does that. That's good. Attacking my pawn. Should I just castle? Oh no, the pawn's protected. Castle. Castle, guys. Okay, now a5. I think I might come here. He might play d6. And then we develop. And I don't have bishop g5. We might end up having to throw stuff, guys. Hey, Charlie, how was Elden Ring? Birdie, it was great, man. It was great. Watch the pawn. Okay, watch the pawn. Yeah, you know what? At this point, I'm sacking the pawn. I really will. Knight. I can't play rook because it'll be hitting this square. a5 looks good. I could come here. Then he can castle, but I can't play d6. He can castle now. Then I have to bring a knight. I just have to bring a knight. Probably should have done that. You know what? They're all... Okay, he's going this way, guys. He's going this way. c4 and e5. Because I might want to play e5 to save the pawn, but I don't want to allow this knight move. I still think this is the move. Oh, okay, yeah, this does it. I'm busted, guys. Hey, come on, guys. You think I can pull this off? Guys. Hey, man. I'm still up on the clock. 2.5 minutes. Okay. This knight is so annoying. There's no dark square bishop. If he plays a5, he could maybe win the pawn. He doesn't have any queen checks right now. We got to do something drastic, folks. I want to do like this and this, and then push the other pawn. See what I'm saying? I have to move, guys, or I'm going to lose the game. Now, a5 kicks my queen off of the pawn, but I can come to this square. And then he has bishop, and I lose. So a5, I think I have to come here. Then he could come here. But then I can come here, and he doesn't have that bishop moving. Feel. Hey, Bardell, how you doing, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're trying to figure out... I just had a blindness and dropped a piece on move 3. I dropped a piece on move 3. And how's that working out for me? Well, my opponent is ahead in development. I have better control of the center. I have the slightly safer king, although I got to tell you, my king might not actually be slightly safe. But what I want to do is push and push, and then push again. See what I'm saying? You want to trap this sucker. He castles this way, we play h4. Bishop, h4, h5. This rook is just fine looking at the queen. Brings the queen to trade, guys. Love it. Now they have to come here. Oh, then the knight can come. Oh, wait. I might have this move now because he doesn't have this yet. He should have gone the other route to attack my queen. Now, h5 will make a threat, but I could play e5 to protect the pawn. Probably just loses in exchange. It's just so bad. e5, yeah, I just lose my queen. Takes, king takes. Push, push. Bishop check. Bring a rook. I'm attacking him with pieces, folks. It's the only thing. It's the only way I can do this. If I can attack him with 2 pieces and 2 rooks, if here he plays knight takes. So that's kind of a good move. This makes a threat, but it doesn't because it's covered. This goes on unprotected square, he just takes. So I guess we have to do this. And he's going to get rid of the knight, but he's moving, guys. He's moving pieces, man. Knight takes. This is a check, but just takes. King goes in front. There's no way to continue. So we just have to take. Shoot your knight again. I can see you later. Great stream, Charlie. Trevor Larson, thank you, man. Good to see you, dude. Birdie Ellis said to me on my lab shows came back Monday with went to have my iron drip infusion yesterday. Today feeling a lot better, says Birdie. Everything hurts, a little tired. Oh man, you're going through some stuff, huh, Birdie? Well, Birdie, I wish you a quick recovery, man. I hope you start feeling better soon, man. That's rough, man. Yeah, we got a few people in the stream, guys, that are kind of sick. Now he'll probably play this. No, he can't because of this. So I'll get the check, guys, and then I'll bring the rook, and then we're gonna try and shove something home, folks. If we can push the king back, he'll have 1 rook to place. Knight comes, no threats. This looks like a move. It develops with check. Let's see if there's anything better, guys. Check. Pawn takes, check. King over. There's nothing. There's nothing. I have to develop and bring... I need every piece in the game, guys. And what's beautiful about this, I disconnect his rooks. So I'm down a piece. But I might, for a few moves, I might be up a rook. You know what I'm saying? And he can't come back here. So he has to stay on one of these files. And then I come like this. And things get opened up, man. He's okay. He's totally okay. John Sardelli says, yes. Yeah. Well, you know, this is making the best move in a horrible position. When you're losing, either resign or try and win. Or try not to lose. You know what I'm saying? Problem is, what's 2, 4, 6, 7 to 2, 4, 6? We're only up a pawn. Okay, now I can bring this rook. And we're looking at his king. If he runs over here, I can do this. I mean, it's losing. I'm down a piece. Kill them all, says John Sardelli. In the words of Metallica, Bart L with the like, Birdie Ellis with the share. Thank you, Birdie Ellis. And with the like, thank you, Birdie Ellis, man. Thank you for the continued supports, guys. See, this knight, this bishop is pretty active. This knight is in the game. These play. And if he brings a rook, this rook plays. But this rook does not play chess right now. It may as well not even exist at this school. And so if you look at it like this, 2 rooks and a bishop attacking a king with these pawns. And he's only got these 3 pieces playing. And the fact is, the bishop is in the game, but it's kind of on a bridge to nowhere, man. Okay, going for my bishop and this pawn. I guess we come back, let him take that pawn. We can't come back here. The pawn's gone. It's gone. He's just mopping up, guys. He's just mopping up. If there's anything here, you can only pray that there might be, but I seriously doubt it. We're looking for blunders. I could bring this rook up, attacking the knight. Then I could be down only in exchange with these 2 pawns, but it might be hard to hold on to. Advance it. I had to cancel my subscription on chess.com. Birdie, why? Because of the because of being sick? I wasn't able to click on and read your post. It was just a little bit too long. Okay. Check. Pawn takes. Check. King takes. Hit. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. So let's threaten to take 2 pieces for the knight. And then this is threatening to win material. What he should do is just bring the rook. He should just bring a rook, man. He should bring a rook. Then I'll be down in exchange, and these pawns are weak. I mean, I could maybe do this and try and hold on. You know what I'm saying? Knight takes pawn, you love to see. Because the knight's kind of out of the game. Then we have check. Takes check. Rook can come up. Maybe get some pawns. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for knight takes pawn. And I think we push. He should bring a rook. It's horrible for me. I had to cancel my hook. Yeah. I had to cancel my... Yeah, I saw that, Birdie. Yeah. Cost related. Okay, it's okay. I'll reset when I have time to play matches again. Got you, Birdie. Yeah. Well, you can still play on chess.com for free. Right? Yeah, you can still play on chess.com for free. I would. What's good on Robert Lewis? How you doing, man? Robert Lewis messaged me earlier. You're not streaming. I did. I was live about a half an hour after you messaged me, Robert. This guy is Ninkanton. I don't think he's one of us guys. So I don't think he's watching the stream. Adam Freeman, what's up? I dropped a piece on move 3 or 4. 3? 4? Guys, it's just too hot. I gotta open the door. Man, look at the light, guys. The thing is, wow. Ugh. He hasn't... God, look at his time. Guys, if we can not trade pieces off, like maybe if he brings rook, the problem is, how do I defend this? The only way is to win material. And this push should be cool because I'd have all these squares and then a pass pawn and maybe this. Maybe this. And all this control. Still losing, guys. This guy's trying to beat me, man. Smash him, says John Sardelli. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Detox Thursday, man. Good tournament yesterday, man. Good tournament. Adam Freeman, Adam Dowsing, and Dave Center, man. All the locals, man. Adam Dowsing says, God love Texas. You were setting a coat a couple days ago, freezing your cabones up now. Cones up now. It's too hot. Dude, it was freaking freezing last night. This guy might be at work or something, guys. We might win this game based on an AFK scenario. Okay, now. Push. I think we push because we infiltrate. I have time and I'm going to analyze. Push. Pawn takes check. He could come here. Then I could hit the knight and threaten stuff. I think. Push takes, pawn takes. He can't get in front of it. He has 1 or 2 choices, and then I can bring a rook up. And we're hitting stuff. And the bishop, it's not looking bad. Another move is simply this move. To get on 7th rank. Knight takes pawn, rook takes pawn, threatening. He can play bishop up. We come here, check. That's a way to maybe win. You know what I mean? Charlie, maybe it's just me, but when you get off your chair, it looks like your chair is a Stormtrooper helmet. Birdie, you didn't know this? Birdie, you're not familiar? absolutely love to see it, folks. Someone is just exposing the truth. Okay, the freaking door's not working. Unless you like staring into the sun. I literally have to turn my AC on right now. That is so weird. That is so weird. I have to turn the AC on, guys. Like, it was cold enough last night, like, to kill a person. Yeah, that's because I opened the door, Birdie. Exactly. So, this is where we'll find... Oh, I see. If I play rook up... No, if I play rook here, he could play knight back, defending. So I think we have to go forward, guys. We have to go forward. We have no choice. Takes... It's not rook takes, guys. It has to be pawn takes. It has to be pawn takes, man. Justin Conway, much love. Charlie and Chillers loves community. Keep our hosts keep on keeping real, and our hosts keep on keeping real. Justin Conway, man, and John Sardo with the 145, guys. The support is amazing. The support is just. I think I'm kind of. Am I worried about this move? I could come here. Then I could come here. With threats. If we get doubled, guys. And he doesn't have back rank mates. Guys, there's some compensation for this. If you subtracted the 2, 4, 5, do 5. If you subtracted the point value. Okay, now we have to look if we can mate him, guys. He will be able to play this move and tuck. This hits a pawn and threatens. It doesn't threaten to double yet. Pushing doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. I could lift, but he's gonna find this move. Well, he has to answer for Fredo though, because I'll be on the knight. I could lift. Knight attacks. Rook check. Forcing him over somewhere. He'll probably come to here. And then I can come here. And how does he stop the mate? He pushes a pawn. Wait. Rook up. Knight forks. Check. If king here. He's on my rook. So rook up doesn't work, I don't think. Rook up doesn't work, I don't think, guys. He wants to come here bad, guys. He wants to come there bad. Pushing is not the answer. It doesn't do anything. He's going to do this anyway to tuck out and kick me. So I think we have to come in. And then... Oh, but then knight back and c4. And then also we have ideas of lifting and coming over and getting this. So I think I have to go in, guys. I don't see what else. I don't see what else to do. I'm not looking at chat because a lot of people are talking and I can see it with my peripheral vision. John Sardelli with the 145. John, thank you. Dave Center and Adam Dowsing. I got the likes. Okay. We got to look for tactics, guys. Another idea is check. No. Oh, maybe check first. What about check? Dude, there's... it's just a few minutes away. It might be this check, guys. Oh, no, we can come here. Check. Forced. Check. We might be able to suck him in, guys. Might be able to suck him into winning the knight, even. I would love this to be a bigger threat. Rook up, knight, check, here, check, here. There's nothing. Rook up, knight, check, here. Then he's on this rook. And I can't check because of the bishop. I have to go in, guys. I have no choice. There's no choice. John Jones! John Jones! The champ, guys. The undefeated champ, John Jones, comes in and says it's a move with 500 Facebook gaming stars only here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Thank you, man. Did that even pop yet? Adam says missing the mate. I don't think there's a mate. I don't think there's a forced mate. He has this. There was a checkmate? Well, we'll see it later if I missed it. I feel like I gave it a little bit of time. I like that this bishop is covering this square. We're attacking here. We're going to threaten the knight and then threaten check. You know what I'm saying? I lost my 1 year following again. I went to archive and found the first time I followed your streams was March 2022. Birdie, nice, man. Haven't seen a stream in a while. Are you still chugging the black silk? Skylar Holbert, welcome back, dude. Yes. Well, Folgers. Sometimes black silk, sometimes not. Guys, this guy's getting low on time. Tell me this, Skylar. Did you get a random alert that you... Because I've been streaming here all the time. Do you still get alerted that I'm playing chess? Or no? Because we still stream all the time. Every once in a while I've been getting a new person, or not even a new person. Okay. Oh, that's probably a good move. Hit the bishop and the knight. Bishop takes. I think we leave the rook there. And we take here, and we stay on the knight. Now we might win. Because I think we're getting a piece. And this pawn is going to be very well protected. Knight takes pawn is probably the best move. Because... And then bring the other rook. You know what I'm saying? Activate. Active, 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 guys. Oh, man. He can come here. Getting takes, right? He sacks. Now, we have a choice. Rook takes, disactivating my rook. No. We keep stay in the 7th rank. He's gonna get another pawn. It's a lot of pawns, guys. It's a lot. It's a lot of pawns. This, I think, we'll end up losing. I think we need to, like... And... Okay, oh, he comes here. I mean, guys, we know I'm losing anyway, right? Now, if I come here, he brings the rook. It's defended many, many times. Oh, no, he'll just play knight takes. Hit. Knight back covers a queening square. Now maybe this rook. Because this rook, I definitely take this pawn. He has a check I didn't see. And he's got no time. Guys, I just gotta look. I gotta sit on my hands. Okay, attacking. Now he should come back here quickly to repeat the position because he's so low on time. What do you do? He attacks the pawn. Okay. Now we have to do this. And king back. It's defended too many times, guys. King, yeah. Now knight, I play rook up. Then he should bring the other rook. He's playing down a rook, guys. He's playing down a rook. Even if he wins that pawn, with my activity, it should maybe be a draw. Takes, pawn takes, rook up. King? Maybe king up, guys? This could come with check, right? Maybe king up. He could bring a rook over, threatening, which could suck. I could defend. King up. His fork square is right here. He's a couple moves away. I can't. This is the key moment. It's probably make his pawns weak. And then he wins that pawn, and it'll be 3-4. That's one option. Another option is like king up here or king right here. And saying all he did was move his king out. Oh, he's going to push this way, though. Didn't see it. So if anything, king to this square. And if he pushes, we pin. He blocks it. We attack the knight. King up. This is a way to complicate it, guys, to keep the tension. Rook over. Yeah. He's gonna play this. Then I'm gonna move this. Hits. Oh, I didn't see the move. I didn't see it, man. So now I have to give this up. He got me, guys. And he caught up on time, too. Well, you know what? Here, I bet it was equal. Sorry, did I just... Oh, I just wanted to see the D&D rolls. Fork. Cork. Sardelli with the 20. Thank you, man. Notifications, not alerts. Broadcast channel alerts. I didn't even get your Twitch alert. Yeah, the broadcast channel. Join the broadcast channel. Before I go live, I type, I'm live right now, and you get it every time. That's the best way. I should have took the knight. Now I think best move is probably takes, but it's no way to, well, we were down a piece before, right? I can't believe I lost this pawn, this bishop, guys. I could maybe get him to do something like this and then pin the knight. It's pinned now. He's just going to take it, man. And my rook can't get out. I think I have to defend the knight. I have to defend the pawn. He'll come here, attacking the pawn. Now I'll check him. Maybe bring my king if I can. Create a passer. Give up the bishop instead. That's what I did, John. The beauty of it was king up. He can walk his king over here and win my rook if I keep checking him. Do you know that? Yeah. And now the rook's trapped. I'm lost, guys. I'm lost. I'm trying to do something here with this if I can. But I had to do this to get my rook out. There's just no ideas. There's no ideas, guys. I can't defend this, and I can't defend this, so I have to take. Question is, do I take here, knight takes, or do I take here, knight takes? Because then he's threatening king over, and my rook is trapped. So we have to take this way. Make a passer, folks. Okay, let's shove the pawn. If you had a bishop, like, or something, I could get mated. Not really mated, but see what I'm saying? I have to move, guys. It sucks, but I gotta move. Knight. Here. There's no fork. There's nothing here. I could check and maybe play knight. Okay. Okay. Can't come in here. You can come here, though. I wanted the pin so bad. Get behind. Or check some malarkeys. I don't know why this was... I don't know why I did this. If the knight moves, king comes. King comes again, I win a pawn. And I have a pass. I want him to go after the pawn, and then I'll pin the knight. I really don't completely want him to. The king is stuck, guys. I wanted to come here, but I can't. I gotta bring the king. And his king can infiltrate too. Now, and I don't have a check is the problem. And these squares are all covered is the problem. I'm looking at takes, rook takes, king takes. He'll sack the rook and win the endgame. I have to move. He should just come up. Go for a draw. Rook f8 after you checked him. Yeah, he's coming, guys. Pin the knight first. Guys, it's just all loses, and he's got enough time. The way he went AFK a couple of times, I'm going to keep playing, guys. I'm going to keep playing. Check, king over, and then, like, knight up. My king can't be the knight and the pawn. If at some point I have absolutely nothing to do, I might push. Oh, wait, check, king over. He wins my knight. So check, I have to play king back. Doesn't even care, guys. Oh yeah, because if I come here, he has a check and he wins my malarkey. Oh, I blew it. I blew it. Wow, he had me. But see, wait, if he plays knight check there, king up. The problem is I can't come in here, guys. Knight check there gets the rook. Here, knight check come up. He queen's too fast. I'm gonna resign. Guys, I wonder if I equalized, man. Do you guys wonder if I equalize? It's a move, says John Jones. I'm gonna move the board. What? I'll show you guys. Right here, that was a bad move. In this position, it's minus 1.29. It should be at least minus 3 because he's up a piece, right? I guess I have a pawn too. No, 2, 4, 6, 2. Yeah. I have a pawn, piece in the pawn, but I have some compensation. That's a blunder. It wanted. Okay, Adam was saying you missed. You're not seeing the mate. Rook G4 check. King H6. Rook E3. Knight E4, offering the trade. Rook H3, G6, or G5. But see, either way, he just gets out this way. Oh, this doesn't work because I have a Bishop F6 mate. That's hilarious. Bishop F6 mate. I didn't see that. He could have fell for that. G5, Bishop G5 check. King G6. Bishop E3 check. He's still better. Okay. So I didn't see that idea, but let's see what happened after this is not good. That's a blunder. White's better. After Rook C7, now I'm better. If you went to H5 like you thought. Okay. Yeah, that's a blunder. He had Rook F4 counterattack. That's a blunder. E7 is best. Rook takes C3 is second best. King G2 was the worst move, guys. Isn't that crazy? E7. Rook F1 check is his best move. King G2, Rook E1, Bishop E1 hitting, Knight E4, and this is plus 0.72. I'm slightly better here because of this, and I can protect it, man. Wow. Okay. But you know what? There, good. There's best. Yeah, I was supposed to come back, man. That was good. King H1 was best. Crazy. And then let me see if there was ever any time on the squiggler to where we were okay, guys. And then we'll take a look. Yeah, no, it was right here was my last chance, guys. Right here was my last chance. Oh, yeah. Okay. So all this malarkey. Push. Inaccuracy. It's good. I should have just brought the bishop back. Here is best. Blunder. I should have brought the bishop back. I'm slightly better. Bishop G3. King G6 going back. And we're just playing chess. But even if he wins his pawn, I still have the bishop. I'm down a pawn. I have weak pawns too, though. The other Adam seen the mate first. I'm just stealing his thunder. Yeah. But the point is, okay, so if he comes to H5. We said, like, this, check, King H5, Rook F5 check, King H6, Bishop G5 check, King G6. There's nowhere to go, man. Rook F7. This is plus 2.8. But there was, I don't think there was a forced mate. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Wow, that was a very interesting game, guys. Okay, let's play some blitz, man. Let's play some 3-minute, guys. We got enough of that. Play. Was there another? What was the other opening thing I wanted to look at? Oh, yeah. Maybe we'll get to that in a little bit. Let's play some Blitz, man. Let's play some 3-minute. Try and get that 3-minute rating up, guys. 3-minute rating, we got to get it up. E4. Bishop E4. This is Grandmaster stuff, folks. Gioco piano. Castles. Plays D5. Was I supposed to stop that? I guarantee I'm supposed to take. Right. The rook wants to come here anyway. He should bring his rook. Well, I mean, why not? You know, I mean, maybe because of this square, but still. What do you do? He moves. Okay, we win a pawn. Queen, rook. Okay, we just won a pawn. Should I take and mess his pawns up? That's a really good knight, guys. This doesn't work. This is a 3-minute game, guys. I think we blocked a bishop. We chased him to a better square, though. Son of a gun, it's a 3-minute game! I have nowhere to put my pieces. That feels weird. I bet my rook is trapped if I do that. I'm using so much time. Saving. Okay. A lot of pawns, folks. Hit the queen. He could hit my rook. Oh, I had... Okay. I have this with check. He probably sees it now. Here? Do we threaten it first? Like this, maybe? No, but then I can't play it. So I guess we gotta do it now. And we threaten bishop takes and queen check, rook over. He wants to come up here. Wow. Does he have checks? He has no checks. No, that was wrong! It was wrong! I should have freaking been mating him, guys. He needs to play F5 or F6. Oopsie. Oopsie. Wow. Guys, just make the ladder. Just make the ladder. I had 13 seconds. I had no chance. Yeah, I was supposed to, that was a bad attacking move. Sardelli says, take it. You gotta take it, man. Michael Creamer, John Sardelli with a 25. Thank you for the stars, man. I really appreciate that. Where the heck is... Oh, this one right here is the one I'm looking for. Michael Creamer. John, thank you for the like. John Sardelli, 25 and the 20. Bielski, Colin Bielski, Andrew Adonis, Jesse Robillard, Zachary Kramer, Sean Yearley, Philip Mosteller. Thank you guys for all the likes. It really helps the stream. Travis, Mr. Infinity, Clay, I love that name. And John Jones with the 500, man. Thank you guys for all the love and support. New 3-minute game. We got him, guys. And guys, I moved way too slow. It's a speed chess game, guys. E4, okay. I had to play D6 until E4. I feel like I shouldn't do this. E5? He has kind of a bit of an attack, but I think I want to put a knight in F8. Oh, he wants to come this way. Knight. Wait. What'd he do? He brings an attacker, guys. Free pawn. We're going to take this now. Or kick it. I think we kick it. E5. And then here. Okay, the knight is pinned. Oh, that's a free pawn. Right? Didn't see it. This is a free move too. And now a check here. I think black is better. I'm in trouble. He comes here, he hits the rook is a problem. I think I come here. Isn't it weird? Look at the weirdness, guys. Look at the... Oh, I dropped it. Okay. A weak king is a sweet thing, folks. Knight drops his queen with check. Take a file, man. Oh, I should have saved the knight, though. I don't have any checks, do I? I have a check here. Which could lead to another check. Like, this one. Queens are nasty, guys. Queens are nasty animals! They're freaking nasty animals. This is going to protect a rook. And then, how does he stop the mate? If queen here, how does he stop the mate? How does he stop the mate? Got him! Ever sit in a park in New York City and play where I'm from? Question mark. No, I have never, man. I have never. I would love to do that though, man. I've seen it in a lot of videos. That was brutal, guys. That was brutal because he sacked a piece and was attacking me-ish. Who's Elijah? Are you on the stream? Push. This sack here. No. Knight G5 is better for black. And it's the third best move. It's not good. It's half a pawn worse than the best move. The best move is Bishop G3. And Knight H5. And I'm actually better. I'm actually better here, believe it or not. At least according to the computer. It's about equal. It's about equal. New York City Park Chess would make a great stream. It would, man. I'll tell you one thing about New York. Whenever I go to let's go for some breaking news. I said breaking news. There we go. What happens is when I go to a strange place, New York's a big city, right? Big city can have the biggest, most extravagant, beautiful things in the world, right? It can also have, where's my music? Donde está música? There's no music on the host screen? Oh, wait, it's here. So in addition to having the biggest, most beautiful hotels and things like this, right? Homes, everything. It can also have the worst. And when you go into a big city, the same way you might not walk into a restaurant and just order the steak and then find out it's, you know, $600. You know, you might, if you don't know the neighborhood, you might not go walking around in certain neighborhoods if you don't know the neighborhood. It could be unsafe. More unsafe than what I'm used to living in a small town. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, yeah, I want to go to New York. I want to go to the park. I'm like, I got to get a guide. I need a freaking tour guide. You know what I'm saying? I need a smart tour guide, not a tour guide that's like, he's from New York, so he's not scared of anything. He's all, nah, it'll be fine. No, I don't want that guy. I want someone. I don't want to go trouncing through someone's neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? Security. Yeah, it's not that I'm afraid to go in public, but for me, like Central Park. Oh no, it's Washington Square Park, right? Washington Park. Yeah, it's not really. I'm not saying I'm scared to go. I'm just saying anytime I go somewhere I don't know where I am, I get a little bit like, hey, I need to pay attention to where I am. I don't know where I am right now. You know what I mean? They might say, oh, no, you don't go on that side of the park. That's where one gets mugged. It's like, well, I didn't know. No one told me. I'm not from here. You know what I'm saying? That would be really cool, though, to go Washington Park and play chess. I'd like to go play chess with the guys at Coffee Chess on YouTube, too. They have a channel on YouTube, Coffee Chess. And I would love to get on that, man, on that show. That would be pretty freaking cool. But yeah, Washington, man. New York could be a good trip. Guys, I needed to make some trips. And I took a lot in 2023. And I just took a really big one in 2024. That Vegas trip, guys, I was gone a long time. And we streamed what? Elden Ring 2 days and chess once. And the chess stream sucked. The internet sucked. I wish I would have streamed chess at least once from the other hotel, but I didn't know. I didn't know the internet was going to get worse in Vegas. Act as if is how you need to roll. What's good? Good looking. Hey, Jay Crossman, how you doing? Good to see you. You're a worrywart. Yeah, again, like I said, I'm not. I've gone to Sicily twice. I've gone to Mexico. Someone offered to sell me hand grenades in Mexico. You know, I get around. I've been to Canada. It's just that when I'm thinking about parks, that's not like taking a trip to Vegas and I look at the hotel and say, I'll just stay there and I'll walk to this casino. A little different. That's all I'm saying. That's what I'm saying is I would need a guide. I would need someone on the ground who knows what they're doing. Yeah. Okay, new 3-minute. Ooh, better get on the game, folks, or else we're going to get in trouble. Here we go, E4, folks. C5, knight of 3. Knight G6, D4, bing, bing. We're gonna play it classically. I screwed up. He has a very simple, if he doubles my pawns, I'm screwed. I'm not screwed, but like for a grandmaster, it would suck because they're on a open file. That was a horrible move. I just got to give him the pawns, guys. He actually could play knight c4. Hopefully we'll get a little activity. Go to New York and leave before it makes you hard. That's funny. Yeah, I think I have to take. Queen takes pawn. I would love it. D5 is probably a good move. Yeah. Threatening nothing except taking, and I have to castle. So I'm going to castle. Oh, if he takes, guys, we have checkmate, by the way. So that's a threat. I castled with a threat, guys. Now I might be winning. Hey! Guys, could you imagine this guy, how he feels right now? I mean, I've been there when, like, I'm attacking and my opponent's king, and like I have all this pressure and these pins and all this stuff, right? And who's Elijah? Are you watching the stream? This guy keeps challenging me. I don't know if he's watching. Is Elijah watching, guys? Who's Elijah 1785? Does anyone know? He's probably confused as heck. Yeah, bye. I gotta go now. I have a dinner date soon. John Sardelli, dude, thanks for being here today, man. Thanks for the continued support. And it's good to see you, man. Come back and see us. Dude, the threat, bro. The threat was real. Now, in this position, castles, his best move is... Look at his best move. Look at his... That's his best move, guys. And now we start turning it around a little bit. His best move is castles. He can't take here because I play what? Similar threats. This is a blunder. This is a blunder. Oh, look at the mate. Look at this mate. Look at the tactics, guys. Check. Only and mate. That's a puzzle, guys. Knight takes, and there's a beautiful mate there. X-ray defense of the square, folks. He's probably confused as heck, they said. Yeah. Okay, let's get a new game up, folks. Oh, man. Okay, E4. E5. LC4. Knight F6. D4, we finally have Ursoff. He doesn't take it, guys. We take here. Now I don't have this move, and he has D5 already. So I think I could check, king takes, check, knight back, bishop up. Okay, you can't castle. Oh no! I just saw that my queen and my... There's a check. Come in here so I can castle. It's that important. Pin that sucker. Dude, this is good, man. Hit the queen. Queen can hit a pawn. Queen doesn't hit a pawn. Check and mate. It's not mate, though, guys. It's the problem. Dude, look at this move! Pinning. Queen could threaten mate. Queen could threaten mate, didn't see it. Queen could threaten mate and take the pawn, didn't see it. Darn it! I could play h4 though. Ooh, he goes there. Takes, pawn takes. Doesn't do anything. Where's the queen go? Just right here, I guess. Yeah. Oh, now I don't have this move. Dang it, that was a good move. He saw it, guys. Too bad this check thing doesn't work. Oh, it's not mate. It's not mate. Bishop here. King here. There's no checks. My king, yeah, that's probably not a bad move. I want to pin the bishop. That doesn't work. He's not going to fall for it. Whose king's in more trouble right now? I gotta move. I'm gonna lose on time. Dang it. I'm gonna lose on time. I'm gonna lose on time. Horrible move. Bishop takes. Oh, queen takes. Rook pins. Bishop takes. King takes. Rook pins. Oh, the rook pins anyway. He's gonna get that rook. I'm gonna resign. Dude, that was about as bad as the last game. No. Take the challenge, says Jay. Jay, is that you, Jay? They denied my passport photo when I sent it in, so I still haven't left the country. Jay Crossman, did you say you ever play Warzone? Yeah, dude, I used to play some Warzone. I'm taking this guy. Did Elijah say he was watching the stream? Who knows, folks? Continuing development, folks. If it's not, there's a piece here coming soon to a theater near you. I have to get my setup up. That bishop's gonna have to move. He's gonna play e5. Just castle. How long did it take me to castle, guys? Knight takes. I guess I have to play bishop takes because I can't allow. Knight takes pawn. Right. Haven't seen the stream in a while. Are you still chugging the black silk? Okay. Wow. Oh, that check got put back. He wants revenge. Hey, Bellner, how you doing, man? What do you do? Keeps me out. I'm gonna play c3 for a reason. A reason, no reason. It goes like this: takes, bishop takes, f4, bishop back, push. He gets a check. Darn it. So I do it this way. Hit the bishop. I'm supposed to play rook e1, guys. I'm going for these weird tactics, and they're not going to work. I mean, they might work. Take the challenge. He wants revenge. Velna, how you doing, man? We got one comment on the Twitch channel, folks. Velna, are you someone we know? Are you a new Twitch viewer? Can you just play like this or something? No. Bishop back, push pawn, and then this, I think. Oh, that's an interesting move. Okay. What can we attack? We can move a queen so he can't castle. He could just come back. I am in your stream. Who is it, though? Oh, Lewis Roberts. Did I play Lewis Roberts earlier? It says, was Lewis Roberts a good sport? Okay. Queen over. Doesn't work. There's no check. Comes back, we can take if we have to. He's gonna have this check. If he comes back, I can't do this because he has check. Then he saves his queen. So I think I have to take. Yeah. Bishop e3 maybe. It just goes to show you guys, you have to freaking develop your pieces, and it sucks, but you do. He's played queen g6 probably. Brings a rook. Wow. Oh, he'll come off with the mate thread. Stopping the mate threat. Now, this is a real threat again. Hit the queen. That guy just fell apart. Who was that? He's one of us. Who is he, though? He says, I'm in your stream. I'm sorry when I said that guy fell apart. I forgot that you're watching the stream. But who are you in the stream? Is that you, Jay Crossman? Good game, man. Good game. I'm sure you were better. I'm sure you were better at some points. But I'm very curious. I want to look at Squiggler. Let me see when you were better. No, man, the best you ever were you were better right here about half a pawn. And then the last time you were okay was right here. That was a bad move. I only had one good move here. It was takes. Okay. That's kind of what I did, just a move later, right? Hey, I got a blue. Yeah, and then over here, it was only +1, because that was a bad move. What was I supposed to do? Let's retry. Okay. Is it push and take the pawn? Probably take and bring the last rook. That's good. Retry. Probably this then. Bring the last piece. It's good. What's the hint? Oh, just step off. Huh. Unpinning. Oh, that way with the renewing the threat. Renewing the threat. I get it now, man. I get it. That was a good game, man. That was a lot of fun. The tactics are crazy today, man. I'm somehow hanging with them. Let's give it a shot again, folks. What do we got here, folks? We got I got a message. Breaking news. Whenever I look at messages, guys, it's probably someone from one of you guys, right? Or from someone I just played. Yeah, I'm watching your stream. I'm unable to type in comments right now. Okay, cool. Got you, Elijah. I got you. Well, good game, dude. Now that was nice. See, it's funny. I'm like, you can't read this, and I read it out loud. But it's different because it could have been something personal or something. You know what I'm saying? Trey says, try rock sling. Try finger, but rock sling. What are we doing tonight in Elden Ring, guys? What are we doing tonight? What did we just do? Oh, yeah, we have to go back to Selvius. We have to rest. We're at Selvius. We have to rest. I'll play Elijah again. We have to go back to Selvius and finish that quest or further it along. And then Farum Azula, and I'm going to 100% my malarkey. My steam. My steamer, my huge steamer. I get to 100% it. I don't know why he would give me that. Okay. I guarantee this is the move. Well, it's either Bishop E7 or Knight C6. I'm going to play Knight C6 because I think I'm going to get castled, and I want a little bit more control over the center. El Centro. The huge steamer. Wait, whoa. Plays this move. Okay. He wanted to keep my knight out of G4. Or don't forget, it's a 3-minute game, says the guy who always... Oh, what do you do? Bishop E2. Okay. Just castles. He's coming at me like a full spider monkey, and we're not buying any of it, folks. Okay, this is why I like to play C6, but they always want... He's just gonna castle queenside, guys, and I got nothing. I always like to play C6 because when they want to go castle and get away, I play B5 and B4, B5 and A5. You know what I'm saying? He saw it, guys. He saw it. I could kick. Let the knight in. I could play... I can take. Pinning. Pinning yet winning. These are all squares, folks. Well, actually, there's 64 squares. It's a square. The huge streamer try rock sling will do. Okay, guys. What do you do? He doesn't want the pressure, guys. Doesn't want the pressure. But you know what? The pressure's coming anyway, folks. Hit the queen. Comes here. Come here. Come here. I'll show you what happens. No, I think we have to cash, guys. You can take the bishop. I didn't see it. The options are endless. He doesn't take it. Okay. I could decentralize the queen, but leave my bishop in a... Oh, yeah, this is kind of cool, though. It's kind of cool. Defends. Kicks. And now just come back with threats. Now I could do this. Pawn takes. I could also do this and maintain all amigo threats. It's pretty nasty, folks. It's a pretty nasty bishop, man. Tell me. I dropped the pawn. Well, now I'm in trouble. Yeah, I screwed that up really bad. I was laughing at how good my bishop was, and my bishop is not so hot, guys. Like, I probably just develop a piece. Like, something like this. Because if I lose this, it's not that bad, but we have threats. He took there? Oh, a check. I guess save it? Nope, that loses. Got me on time. Good job. He didn't just get me on time. He destroyed me on time. Yeah, there was a position right there. I felt like it was so good, but I was dropping a pawn. It was too good to be true. In this position, it's not... Okay, bishop a5. Bishop c5. Queen f6 was all right. Castle's his best. What did he play? He played queen check, bishop f7. I'm still better, but I'm not good enough to prove it. Rook a d8 still maintains a ton of the initiative. Now it's at the move, bishop, yeah. Oh! Hit the bishop and threaten this. Didn't see that move. Yeah, that was a good game, man. That was a good game. Oh, man. I thought I had him. I didn't see bishop c5, guys. It was bad. I got it in my passport photo when I sent it in, so I still haven't left the country. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, cool, guys. I think we had a good stream. I think I'm going to call it right now. If you guys like what you see, drop me a follow. I want to thank you guys very much for a nice, relaxing chess detox Thursday. And we did look a little bit at that wing gambit earlier. I take one pawn and I play moves like e5, knight c6. Don't be afraid of a d5. Playing the center, queen d5 is all good. And I have some plans for playing against a wing gambit now. So that was my opening prep for the beginning of the stream. Gabriel Mayonnaise, Michael Ashton, Chris Richmond, thank you guys for likes. See what they're doing? They're liking the stream. I freaking love you guys, man. Thank you guys for being here. We'll catch you guys later.